when we talk about now history of UNIX. So, in history of UNIX in 1960s, General Electric and Bell Research Lab in MIT. So, you know very well most of the experiment, most of the research which happen all happen in the Bell labs, right. If you would have seen also Bell lab, right, everything will come with the Bell lab. It is in MIT, right. So, that is the institute name, and it is worked with a joint venture called as Multics. So, jointly they did in 1960, that was multiplexed, that is what I said, multiplexed information and computing system. So, earlier it was called as Multics, right, for the mainframe computer. Have you heard about mainframe? Banking sector they use the mainframe. Okay. So, mainframe computer, and they developed this multi-user operating system, and then after they withdrawn for this. Then after the idea came from the Multics, right, the Ken Thompson, Persian name, along with Dennis Ritchie. Dennis Ritchie, what he developed other thing? C programming, right. See, he also wrote the same. So, Dennis Ritchie and Ken Thompson developed an operating system that was called as UNIX, UNICS, Uniplexed Information and Computing System, and it was developed on assembly language of FDP7. It was not portable that time. Then again this UNIX was developed with help of HLL, which was called as B. Then it is, you know very well, right. First how C programming came? First it came B programming, then after BCPL, and then finally they renamed to C program. In 1973 UNIX was rewritten, okay, mostly with help of C for the UNIX kernel, and the new language was developed that time only by the Dennis Ritchie, that was your C program. And then we used editor, ED editor, and we used interpreter, that is your shell, and again it is all everything written in high level assembly language, high level language that was changed into the different machine. Then again they modified in 1977 about 500 Unix site it was used by the Unix operating system. Then 1980 there was BSD 4.1, okay, that is Berkeley Software Development. Then 1983 Sun OS, Sun operating system, then BSD 4.2, System 5, then 1988 AT&T Lab and Sun Microsystem jointly developed another system that was called as System 5 released 4, that shortcut name was given ISRV4, and later on that developed into UNIXware and Solaris, that was in 1991. So, these all are just overview of the history of your Unix operating system.